With your hand in my hand and your pocket full of stone, I can see the snow. Telling me fast, I was trying to feel you. We just gotta be strong. I don't wanna lose you now. You're right at the other half of me. The vacancy that's set in my heart is a place, and now you go. Show me how to fight for now. Can I tell you, baby, it was easy coming back into you once I figure it out. You were right here all alone. It's like you're my mirror staring back at me. I couldn't get any bigger with anyone else beside me. Then downstairs is this promise that will make it your reflection into one. It's like you're my mirror staring back at me, staring back at me. You are my treasure, you are my treasure. Yeah, you are my treasure, you are my treasure, you are my treasure.
Because I know the answers to your question.
Why? Did you prep them up tonight?
No? This is we are from the same vertical.
Hi! What's your name?
Man.
My name is Lance. I'm from NSI.
NSI from NSI. Wow! Alright,
Yes,
so...
it's actually in my house.
Yeah, you are so right. Okay, so, let's change the question. Do you think you have the shot, you know?
Wow, thanks guys for supporting.
I would be here if the answer is not
Sorry.
Very
good
simple.
answer.
Thank you. Let's pick someone from the dancers. Let's see. What's your name?
Kerwin.
Kerwin. So, any special preparations for tonight's competition? For tonight's competition, there's none.
No preparation. We just enjoy and dance.
Okay. Enjoy and just dance. Alright, let's see if the judges agree with you guys. Let's start with Judge Abby.
Alright. Treasure. Okay. So, I enjoyed your performance. It was really nice and fun to watch. Okay na si Kerwin yung nagsalita kasi nagsistand out ka kanina when you were dancing. So, I really like your energy.
Wow!
Yes,
You're really feeling it. So, ang lakas nung dating din na pag-intro, nakasuit kayo lahat, naka-steady lang kayo. Sana lang i-anticipate nyo mas next time yung pasok kasi biglang nagulat kayo na, yun na pala yung start ng music. So, dapat sabay-sabay. And then, I really like to give props to the singer. Because kanina, I like the voice of the girl. She was medyo Jessica Sanchez, very sexy R&B. Ikaw naman, you had a very diva Christina Aguilera voice. At saka lumalabas din sa yung mga pag-end mo ng mga ganun-ganun. And you're such a small girl, and you had such a very big, powerful voice. So I really like that. Plus, you really look very beautiful tonight. Wow. So I appreciate it. Plus, I really like your attitude. So I really enjoyed your performance. Great job.
Great job.
Props to her stylist and makeup artist.
Plus, she looks very pretty tonight.
Very stunning, yes. Judge Chester?
Very pretty.
Nung nanonood ako kanina, dancers ako tigitigil. Tapos nakalimutan ko, may singer pala. So, napag-on ako, ay, kala ko radyo, ganun maganda yung boses mo.
So, Chester, I have a question. Ito ba yung sinasabi mong pak na pak?
Pak na pak.
Like it.
Tapos, beautiful ka na, wag ka na masyadong mag-makeup. Kasi, very beautiful ka na. Anyways, dancers, clear pa natin yung movements natin. Stronger, bigger. Yung mga simpleng kickball change, simpleng ganun lang, diba? Kaya mag-kinder yan. So, dapat, kung kaya naman kinder yan, dapat sa inyo, magbukang special step siya. Hindi siya kickball change lang na ganun. Mga kembot-kembot isolations ng mga hips. Kaya ng mga ng mga nasa kalye. Pero,
Sample!
pag dinagay nyo na sa performance sa stage, dapat kakaiba siya. Malaki, malakas, mukhang mahirap na pero ang simple-simple lang. Ngayon, yung start. Nagulat ako, bigla na lang nag-start yung music, nag-start kayo ng Feeling ko yung start ng music nyo, hindi ba alam, hindi okay yung start. Pero yung end, i-hold nyo pa yung end. Last pose, hold nyo ng 5 seconds. I-ano nyo yung yung mga clap, i-ano nyo yun, i-enjoy nyo muna yun bago kayo, may ganito yung factor. Clap, mga gano'n. Pagkatapos,
Paano?
Feel the moment. Be in the moment.
yes, pagkatapos ng show, drop character. Huwag gano'n, huwag nyo i-drop ka. Tapos, si Kuya, halatang nag-enjoy siya. Wala na siya sa stage na memorization. Kasi dapat sa rehearsals pa lang, itodo nyo na. Meron kasi tayong tinatawag ng lecture. May tinatawag kasi tayong muscle memory. Yung pag tinodo nyo na yan, sa rehearsals pa lang, pagdating sa show, hindi na kayo nag-iisip. Muscles na yun yung
Muscle memory.
okay? So,
Another
rehearsals
lesson
pa lang,
from the expert.
todo na agad sa rehearsals pa lang. Para pagdating sa stage, parang wala lang, nagsayo lang kayo ng bonggang. Thank you.
Thank you, Chester!